Hey, what's up guys? Luis from Lumedia here, and today we're going to be talking about two very frequently asked questions, and that is, one, how do I ship the transfers to my customers? And two, how to store prints at home if you want to like mass produce prints. For example, you have like an Etsy shop where you sell the same printed shirt or, etc., things like that. And the answer is very simple, guys. Literally for both questions, it's really the same process or the same things that I use to be able to either to ship or put away transfers, direct to film transfers. Literally, you don't need much for this. The initial investment is a little bit costly because they come in bulk. It's better always to buy this type of stuff in bulk, especially if you're selling prints and even if you are storing at home. So I'm gonna kind of show you really quick the stuff that I use. And again, this is very basic stuff, aside from maybe one of the things, and you'll see here shortly. But anyways, guys, when I ship or even store here at home the transfers, I use these bags right here. This one's a little worn out because I use it a lot, but this is just a typical run-of-the-mill gallon Ziploc bag. And again, guys, don't forget, I will link every single product that I use in the video or show in the video in the description below. But yeah, this is just a giant Ziploc bag, what I call them. And you pretty much use this to put your transfers in and to put the rest of the stuff that you need to ship with your transfers or when you put them away. The other thing needed to ship transfers to customers and even to store here at home are Silica Packs. And this one's very small. I typically have the bigger sizes. The ones linked in the description will be bigger, but I always throw a Silica pack in the bag, and that is so that you can keep moisture out of the bag while shipping or even while you store them at home. DTF prints or direct to film prints hate humidity, guys. That's one of the things you're always going to be bumping into. If, for example, if your transfers peel from the edges or if you have bubbles after you cure them, it's because you have too much humidity most of the time. Humidity is not your friend with direct to film transfers. Now, does your room have to be a certain humidity when you're printing them? Yes, but after they're printed and cured, you do not want humidity around those transfers. So yes, Silica packs. So, and I'm gonna pack one here just so you guys can kind of see how I package everything together to ship away. So this one doesn't account for storing prints at home, but when I ship transfers to customers, I mass print these little cards. This one's just, I just printed this one out just for you guys to kind of see, but they're literally just instructions for how to press on the different type of fabrics. So you got poly, tri, 50/50, and cotton, and a couple more little instructions here. And I can put this as a download in the description as well if you guys would like to just print and cut these. I ran out of cards, so I'm just using like these little printable ones right now. But I like taking a step ahead or going above and beyond and ordering business card size instruction cards, and then on the back it also is a thank you card, so it doubles as both an instruction card and a thank you card. And yeah, it works really good. So that goes also in your bag. And really, after all of this is kind of like packaged, here, let me put a transfer in here so you guys can kind of see. Even though this transfer is really small for this bag, but so this is I guess how it should kind of look. And you can tape the instruction card onto the bag, or I just put it in there in case it gets damaged. But then you take this bag, guys, and you get a priority shipper, like the cardboard ones, the flat ones from USPS. That's typically what I use. And I stick that into one of those because the cardboard will keep it from flexing or bending. Again, that's what I use to ship, and it works well for me. So when you're storing this stuff at home, it's pretty much the same thing. If you just put all the same transfers in a bag, But you just don't need to print out the direct to film instructions, or, you know, I mean, you don't need that because you know what it is. But you do want to still throw in some silica packs in there just so you can keep humidity out of that bag, and so that you can keep your prints nice and fresh. That's another question that gets asked a lot. How long can you keep a transfer after you print it? And as long as you follow those steps, as put in a silica pack into the bag, and you put your transfers in the bag away from humidity, they should last a very long time. I have some transfers that I've, like this one for example, this little robot. I like printing those on shirts for my son and stuff like that. And I have a lot of prints like that I keep around, and I just keep them in a bag with a silica gel, and they're still fine to press. Like nothing's peeled on the edges, hasn't curled, it hasn't done none of that weird stuff. So yeah guys, super easy way to be able to ship to your customers and to be able to store them at home. Like always guys, the links to these products are in the description below. Also, don't forget to join the Discord, guys. It's been growing. I know I haven't posted in a couple of weeks, but I do plan on still doing a nice giveaway at 100, I guess, Discord members. And I think it was 50 actually that I said. At 50 Discord members will be the first giveaway, and then 100 will be another. Every 50 we'll do one up until I say no more. And yeah, guys, join the Discord. You can find people selling used printers there that are converted. You can ask questions. You can just chat in the main thread. And it's probably one of the easiest ways to reach me instead of going through Instagram or trying to go through Facebook, because again, it's just very hard with the notification systems on those other platforms. So yeah, guys, I really hope this video has helped you, and I try to keep this one super short and sweet to the point. So yeah guys, until the next video, thank you so much for joining us and for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for the algorithm, and I'll catch you on the next one.